What up guys, and welcome back to Leon's Den. For today's quickie recipe, we're making a classic comfort food makeover. We're making a honey garlic chicken casserole that you do not want to miss out. So I'm going to be using some bone-in, skin-on chicken because I just like to bite my meat off the bone and that crispy skin. Ooh! And they've been marinating in the fridge for 24 hours in a simple all-purpose meat seasoning with paprika, salt, and pepper. Now for all your poultry products, please do get in touch with Zimbabwean Poultry. I'll leave a link down in the description. And do get in touch with them. They have got the best deals in Zimbabwe. I've also got some parsley and a carrot, red onion, some potatoes, and of course we have the chicken. And I'm also going to be using 3 tablespoons of honey paired together with 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Some olive oils and the rest of the spice I'm going to be using. Now you want to make sure that you're hearing that sizzle in the pan, then you know it's popping, it's going down. But I'm sorry guys, I lost some of the footage when I was filming. But when you place your chicken in the pan, make sure you place the skin side down first and make sure your pan is hot enough so that you get that crisp golden skin underneath. Now when you place your chicken, make sure you don't touch. I don't get people who are touchy with the chicken. Just leave the chicken to rest and cook. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep my potatoes. So my chicken has been browning for about 3 to 4 minutes on the skin side, and now it's time to flip it over.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So it's been about another 3 to 4 minutes and it's time to take out the chicken. Just place it aside in a plate or in a bowl and don't throw away any juices that drip out of the chicken. Everything is put to good use in Leon's Den. We don't waste nothing, we use everything. Now using the same pan, we're also going to brown our potatoes and carrots until they're about half cooked, and then later on we're going to put them in the casserole dish and put in the oven with the chicken. This is where you salt and pepper your potatoes from a height to make sure you get the coverage right. We don't want any bland potatoes here. Just tip over all the potatoes and the carrots in a baking dish. You might want to get rid of the excess oil from the chicken if you want, but if you want to keep it, it's got all the juices and the flavors. And now go over ahead and cut up your onion and your garlic. Go on over and start to caramelize your onions in the same pan. Now if you like, you can add some extra garlic at this stage. In goes the Worcestershire sauce. Now when you pour it in, this is when you get that burst of the flavor from the sauce. At the same time, go in and add the honey for the glaze. And now as this goes on together, you have that honey Worcestershire sauce situation going in. After your sauce reduces for about 2 to 3 minutes, you want to go over and pour it over your potatoes and your chicken. And this time you probably want to start to preheat your oven, and then you quickly shove in the dish into the oven and you just wait for about an hour or so.
One hour later.
This right here is a keeper. Hope you enjoy this one-pan dinner wonder. Play around with the ingredients, just add in some things that you like to make it palatable for you and your family. Now if you like stuff like this, make sure you smash that like button. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. Till next time, keep it healthy.